We are now inside the cliff, so we are heading to see the waterfall. Yeah, the great waterfall, the most iconic waterfall.
Hello and welcome to Mantis Eye right here on 𝐈𝐜𝐨𝐬𝐿 Media YouTube channel. Today we want to show you the most iconic waterfall in the world, and this waterfall happens to be in Africa. If I am to guess right, you probably don't know that Victoria Fall, located at the borders of Zambia and Zimbabwe, is the largest waterfall in the world. This spectacular waterfall is 1,708 meters wide, with a height that is twice the height of North America's Niagara Falls. The mist from this waterfall can be seen from a distance of 50 kilometers. This explains why Victoria Fall was voted as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world and UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. It's almost impossible for you to look at a waterfall and not feel inspired by its mesmerizing power and beauty. Little wonder, tourists call the Osun Waterfall in Morocco as the most romantic waterfall in the world. Yes, Africa is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and amazing wildlife, but it's the waterfall in Africa that symbolizes life for Africans. Waterfalls like Tugela Fall in South Africa takes your breath away at the very first glance, statistically holding the spot as the second tallest waterfall in the world, with a height of 948 meters, falling over 5 different levels. But in Western Africa, there is an iconic waterfall that has just been discovered. A waterfall that falls over 7 different levels situated in between cliffs. The first of its kind in the world and a rare beauty of nature to behold. This waterfall is located in Osun State, Nigeria, and we took a trip down there. So right now we are on our way to Erin Ijesha Waterfall, also known as Olumirin. So now we are
continue for 2 kilometers.
It says welcome to Erin Ijesha, home of living spring. Can you guys see that? Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna make you ask.
So
Okay,
we are
ready.
here.
We're ready.
Angela, say hi.
Hi.
Hello. So we are just climbing the stairs that would lead us to the waterfall. This is not the mountain. We are. See, I'm panting already. Okay, so
This is a
but hey,
good
we
workout.
can do this. Yes, this is a very good workout. Just look at how I'm sweating. Jesus Christ, man! Coming to Erin Ijesha Waterfall, I think you need to be ready to go rock climbing, because it's more like rock climbing, because you need to climb till you get to the cliff. Can you see it? You need to keep climbing. and I'm just all sweaty right now. Definitely cannot climb without sweating. Just look at how we are all sweating. Man, she's tired. Olumirin, see how you're sweating. Jeez. The native regard this waterfall as a sacred site and a means of purifying their soul. This waterfall has just been discovered as the most iconic fall because of its 7 different levels of fall, each level providing a whole new scenery. So we are climbing the 2nd floor. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is real exercise. If you want to work on your hips, ladies, you want to work on them hips and then gluteus maximus. You know, you want to push them out a little bit. Come climbing on these stairs. Can you see them? Can you see? So, yes, we are on the 2nd floor now. This is the 2nd floor of the cliff. Climbing the various levels of the waterfall is not as easy as it may seem on the first glance. However, it is exciting and worth the effort.
So this is another zone entirely. As you can see, people are here. Different from where we're coming from. We're actually coming from the first cliff down there. But this is another land entirely. So guys, we are here. Apparently, this water is coming from 3rd floor, the 3rd cliff, I mean. To the 2nd cliff, you can see same water goes to the 1st cliff where we were coming from, that you guys saw.
Live on the 2nd level at Erin Ijesha Waterfall.
Yeah,
we're kicking it. What is the channel? Let's subscribe.
𝐬𝐨𝐬𝐭 𝐸𝐴 Media.
Make sure you subscribe. Click that button, like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Erin Ijesha Waterfall has an alluring mix of beauty and power. The 7th cliff of this waterfall takes you to another state in Nigeria called Ekiti State. Can you beat that? Okay, so we are done and we are on our way back. Trust me, it was a fun experience. The cliff is actually very interesting when you're climbing, and then the waterfall in itself is very iconic.
If you're around anywhere in the world, I think you need to see this place.
Yes, exactly, because it is the most iconic. Trust me, you can't find this type of waterfall in any other place, and this is a waterfall that is in between. It is within a community and within cliffs.
Yeah.
So that's what makes it iconic and different. Olumirin Waterfalls is the place you want to come to right here in Osun State.
Waterfall. Erin Ijesha, also known as Erin Ijesha Waterfall.
Yes. You definitely should include Erin Ijesha Waterfall in your bucket list. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Do let us know what you think of Erin Ijesha Waterfall in our comment section below. Till our next video, stay African and stay beautiful. Bye.